Hey guys, it's Isaac at Mallard Motors, home of the $100 credit challenge, where if we can't get your credit approved for a new auto loan, we give you $100 in cash. Just got this one in. It's a 2014 Chevrolet Silverado Z71 5.3 liter V8. So you can see there it's got the fog lights. It's got a leveling kit on it. Fuel aftermarket rims. It's got the bigger signal mirrors on it. Your Z71 off-road package. It's got the steps in the rear bumper along with the towing receiver. It's got a nice drop-in bed liner. You can see the nice big mirrors. Inside, all of our standard features: power mirrors, power locks, power windows. We've also got our child lock and our window lock on the driver door. Z71 in a threshold there. Beautiful clean cloth seats, clean roof line. It is power seat. In the center here we got our fold up middle seat, so it can be 6-passenger with all kinds of hidden compartments, or it can just be an armrest. Let's go ahead and start it up. Only 129,000 miles. No engine lights on. Got a backup camera and the huge LCD screen here. I think that's a 8.5-inch screen. Of course, we got Bluetooth, your radio, I'd imagine XM as well. Got your dual air controls, traction control, cargo light, hill assist. Got your in-steering buttons. Over here you got your built-in trailer brake, 4-wheel drive, automatic and fog lights. And you got your, I forgot to mention your OnStar mirror up here, along with your dome lights. In the back, beautiful seats. These seats are so pristine, they don't even look like they've been hardly sat in at all. All these extra pockets on the door, seat back pockets. Looks like the rear glass has the lines going across it for the defrost. Interior is just really clean, very little wear. Again, lots of pockets on the door, 2 different glove boxes. Dash is in good shape. Passenger seat, no rips, tears, stains, anything like that. You got your charging ports down there and another little compartment. There's beautiful fuel rims. See if I can find the button here. Quiet, clean little 5.3. Love to get you approved on this vehicle. All you got to do is go to mallardmotors.com, fill out the credit application, and one of the salespeople will be in touch with you. Go ahead and fill that out now, and we'll get you approved on it.